Candy Claus, baby. And yes, you guessed it. Santa Claus is my husband, baby. Trust and believe he love me. He can't get enough of this candy. So she told me to shake this pickle up in this bag. I'm like, what's up in here, baby? Only bag I get is from my man Santa. She said it's cut water crack candy. Baby, I ain't never heard no cut water, no cracking, no candy, but shit, it was good. It just wasn't cold enough for me. Y'all know I'm from the North Pole, baby. I like it freezing. Look here, honey. I know Candy Claus old, but baby, trust me, I still got it, baby. I'm still young. But y'all had left me this song to sing to y'all. Candy Claus sneak in your house and never leave a trace. She wiggles around and dance and smile and leave a tray of grapes. Hey! Now wait a goddamn minute, baby. You did not leave me no tray of grapes. You ain't give me shit but a pickle, baby. I don't need your pickle. I got Santa Claus pickle at home for me, baby. I can't wait to slime down that pole, baby.